I just turned 30 a month ago. To be honest, I didn't really feel any changes after I turned 30. A couple weeks went past. I remember when I turned 18, I told myself, I'm really becoming an adult. There are so many possibilities and exciting things awaits in my 20s. And I can't wait to see what I will be like when I'm 30. And this day has came. 10 years. That's 3,652 days. Those are lots of days that we live on this world. What have I done in those days? Too many. But what have I actually achieved? Not much. When I look back, time you spent in your 20s was a wild experiment. You just graduated not long ago. You have no pressure or much to lose. So you go out and try different things and see which one you want to stick to. You don't have much money or much experience in general, but these are the best years of your life. During my 20s, I didn't really have any mentors or people that I look up to that I can learn from in real life. But I wanted to learn things about work, about people, about life. Safe to say, I learned them in a slow way, and sometimes a hard way. So for someone who just turned 30 this year, I want to share 10 things I wish I knew in my 20s. So hopefully, if you are watching this and you are in your 20s, if you're lost or you just want to learn about life a bit faster, I hope these tips will help you out tremendously. And these are things I really wish I knew 10 years ago. Your 20s goes by faster than you thought. Save every cent possible. Enjoy responsibly. Learn a high-ticket skill. Look after yourself, work out often, and read consistently. Make friends, but not just any friends. Learn these 3 essential skills: sales, marketing, and negotiation. You need to have endurance and patience. Hustle is important, but it's also important to spend time with your loved ones. Surround yourself with a supportive community, even it means you need to move out of your hometown or to a new country. Start something of your own on the side. Have multiple streams of income. Oh, by the way, this was my favorite donut store when I first came to Australia. And still here. If you think this video is helpful to you, or you are a little bit clear on the direction that you're going to, please consider to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I'm really glad my content can help you, and I really appreciate your support to the channel. As always, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.